Hello, I'm Adrienne Smith, and welcome to my little video tutorial on how to access our on-demand library of videos. So I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to take you through the steps to access our classes. It's really, really easy, and it's actually easier to do it on your phone. So I'll share my screen. First things first, you go to our website, and here it is. I'm going to pull myself down so I'm out of view. And you're going to click right here on On-Demand. Boom. If you don't have an on-demand membership, you don't have a current membership, and you're just using class passes to take class, you're going to click this button to purchase an on-demand membership, which is $45 a month, and it will not pull from your class passes, okay? You can cancel anytime, and we just need 5 days notice so that we make sure to get it before your credit card runs the charge. But if you already have access, here's where we go. We click Access Recorded Classes here. And you already have a MindBody account, and so I do too, and I'm going to type it in and bring us to the online library. So here it is. It's going to always show you the newest videos first, and then it's going to categorize them. So yoga is what we do. So most of the classes are titled or categorized as yoga. Some of them are meditation. You can see that Jane's led some and Brooklyn's led a couple, and then I actually titled a new one Personal Training, which you also saw at the beginning of these newest. And I want to highlight why it's in personal training versus yoga. So these ones are going to be specifically pose breakdowns. So you'll see pose breakdown of sun salutation A. These are short videos, like these ones 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes each. Sun salutation A, warrior one, chair pose, halfway lift, forward fold, downward facing dog. So I go through the alignment, and what I would suggest is to watch the video once and then to start it again, play it, and go along with me as I'm explaining. Sometimes it's easier to see it, and then if you're doing the positions, you won't have to like cock your head up in order to see the screen. And then you just scroll down and there's a little bit more. We got cooking demos, breathing exercises, massage using the yoga therapy balls with Christina Klein, and that's it. So super easy, and I hope that allows for you to get in yoga classes and enhance your practice while you're staying at home. And even into the future, we're going to keep this going and add more and more and more videos and different things that are going to help enhance your life. All right. So if you need anything, reach out. I'm here. I'm tech support, doing all the things, and just want to serve you and make sure that you're taking care of yourself during all this. Okay. Love ya.